how does insulin help your sleep? So there's a specific amino acid called tryptophan that will actually get into the brain and is converted into serotonin and then converted into melatonin. However, in order to get tryptophan into the brain, it actually competes with other amino acids for the same transporter. Therefore, the more of the other amino acids we have around, the less tryptophan we will actually be able to get inside of our brain. Therefore, the less substrate we'll have available to make serotonin and then subsequently melatonin. However, we don't just use amino acids inside of the brain, we use it in almost every cell inside of the body. And insulin is the hormone that will increase the uptake of amino acids out of the bloodstream into cells. Therefore, an increase in insulin will remove the amino acids from the bloodstream, making more tryptophan available to get into the brain because it has less competition. And it doesn't appear to matter when this increase in insulin occurs, as long as the tryptophan is able to get into the brain. And this is because it will be stored and used to create serotonin and melatonin when it's needed. The big thing is simply just having tryptophan available and not having an abundance of competing amino acids. So you could technically get the same effect from having an abundance of tryptophan without a bunch of other amino acids. And really, the only way I could think of doing this is taking a tryptophan supplement on an empty stomach. And now to get in tryptophan through food, you'd want to eat things like meat, fish, milk, and eggs. But it's important to note that all of these foods also come with an abundance of competing amino acids. And this is where something like a small bolus of carbohydrates can help increase your insulin, remove the competing amino acids from the bloodstream, and allow tryptophan almost free entrance into the brain.